Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chelsea, and today I'm back with another video. So I'm just going to be doing what's in a hospital bag. So I'm 39 weeks pregnant. I'm ready for the baby to come anytime, any moment from now. So this is my second baby, so I'm just going to be giving you guys like a minimalist idea of what you should have in your hospital bag. That is what you actually need and not just what you want to pack in. And also I'm also going to be packing according to my hospital, because I know what my hospital gives already, because I'm going to be giving birth in the very hospital I gave birth to my first son. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So we're going to start with the baby stuffs. So the first thing you're going to need for baby is going to be an approved car seat that is already secured and put in the car. So most hospitals will not let you leave without you having like a secured car seat in your car. So you really need to set up your car seat in advance. You're going to need for the baby, it's just going to be a few things, because honestly the hospital really gives a lot of things, and my hospital gives a lot of things, especially for the baby. They're going to provide the baby with a hat, they're going to provide the baby with some onesies, with some socks, with diapers, with wipes. My hospital provides all of that, but still I want some clothes that I can take pictures of the baby, and a going home outfit. So I really love this outfit. It says welcome to the world. I love this little onesie, and I think I would like to take a picture with him in it. I just bought this one too, just this white onesie. And two outfits is totally fine. So I think these two, and I bought him a cute white sweater because we're in the winter. So he's gonna have that, and this is his going home outfit. This one, he's gonna put on a little snow jacket because, as I said, it's winter, so it's going to be really cold outside. Also just bought him some pairs of socks, two pairs of socks, and that's going to be enough. Also I bought him a Swaddler, and I bought blue because he's gonna be a little boy and I'm gonna swaddle him. My son did not really like to be swaddled, so hopefully he's going to like it. So the next thing I'm going to bring for him is a pacifier. My son did not use a pacifier. That's because I did not really start early, and his crying in the nights was so terrible. So I'm bringing the pacifier, and hopefully I'm going to give the baby the pacifier from the hospital. So I also bought these cute little mittens for my baby. That's just to protect their hands. When babies are born, their hands get really cold, and they also scratch their faces a lot. So you want to protect your baby's hands. And then finally, I'm going to be bringing this blanket for the baby. The hospital gives blankets, but the blankets are so light. You don't really need a pump. My hospital gives a pump to help you like get the colostrum out if you're not able to get it out. But most times you're not even going to start producing breast milk till after about 2 days. Like with my first son, Kaden, I did not really produce like breast milk till I got home and after about 3 days. So I don't think I'm going to need that. So now I'm going to go to what I'm going to pack for myself. Oh, I forgot this one. And then I'm going to bring this little hat for him. It's so cute. I'm going to let I think it's so cute. This hat, I'm going to put it on him because, as I said, this is winter, so he'll need like a thick hat. So finally, going to what I'm bringing for myself. So let's start with the toiletries. So the first thing I'm going to be bringing is just toothpaste, toothbrush, and my face scrub, just to like clean my face and wash my face after labor. I'm also going to be bringing my body wash. I know the hospital gives like soap, but sometimes it's so small, so I'm bringing my own body wash. I'm also going to bring my deodorant and my lotion. I know the bottle is so big, I will probably pick out something smaller, but if you can fit in my box, I'm just going to go ahead and go with it. And then going to makeup. See, I'm not judgy, okay? Like with my son, I did not take any makeup because I really don't like putting on makeup a lot. But this time around, I'm just going to take a little something because I just feel like I want to look good, okay? After I put to bed, I want to just look a little bit good, especially for the pictures that I want to take with my son. And if you like makeup, feel free to take your makeup. As I said, this is what is in my hospital bag, so it's what I want to take to the hospital. Okay, so for my makeup, I'm basically just taking my powder brush, some brown lipstick, and my lip balm. You're going to thank me later. Don't forget to take your lip balm because your lips can really get so choppy and so dry during labor. You're going to need this lip balm. And for toiletries, so I almost forgot, I'm going to be taking 2 sets of towels. That's for my husband and I. I just took in the I just took like the small size towels. I think this is going to be fine. And then I just took a little face towel to just wipe my face when I wash it. And that's it. And then you're definitely going to need some black fitting underwear. When you give birth, everything down there is messed up and you're still going to be bleeding a lot, so it's preferable for you to take like a black underwear, and it should be fitting so that it should keep your depends or your pads in place, whichever you prefer to put on. So I'm going to be taking some black underwears, and then you want to get some nighties and a robe. I'm just going to go with this black robe. I feel like it's just cute, like to just walk around. After you put to bed, you really don't want to be in the hospital gown anymore. You want to change it to something comfortable. And this is just my another comfortable gown for me. It's so big and it's free and I love it. And it's also very easy to put down to breastfeed the baby. And this is just like a top and some shorts to wear inside the black robe. I love putting on shorts. Also, this is going to be, you're going to need some nursing bras. This is going to be a nursing bra. It opens from here and it's very easy for you to breastfeed the baby. So you can get like 1 or 2 nursing bras. I just have 2 in my bag and I think that's fine. I got this one from Target, but you can also get some from Amazon. They're cheaper on there, I think so. So I got this one from Target, and I got this one from Target. I haven't taken out the tag yet. Also, you're going to need some non-slip socks. This is to help prevent you from falling. The hospital gives 1 too, but as I said, you just like to get into your own stuff when you give birth. So I just bought my socks just in case. Then I also bought my Christmas shoes, my Christmas comfy slippers that I can just put it on and walk around the hospital and walk around my room in, and it's so warm and so cozy. I love these slippers so much. I'm going to be taking them. You can also get flip-flops if you want to get into the shower. I haven't gotten that yet. Hopefully I'm going to get that tomorrow and put it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So I'm also going to be taking my little mug. I love this cup so much. It's just a little mug in which you can put like your water, and you can preserve, in which you can put your water and it can stay cold or warm depending on what you want. The hospital gives water, of course, but you probably like something the hospital gives water, of course, but you probably want like something that when you're lying down on the bed you can drink from without it strain on your body. And then you're going to want to take your breastfeeding pillow. I did not take this with my first son and I regretted it, but this time around I'm going to use it. It's really going to help you in breastfeeding, so I'm taking my breastfeeding pillow this time around. And then I'm also going to be taking my blanket. This was given to my husband by his co-worker during Christmas. I'm going to take my blanket, see, the mattress with my shoes. And I'm going to take a blanket this time around because the blanket in the hospital is so light and it can really get so cold in the hospital. So I'm going to definitely need this blanket for sure. So I'm going to go with my blanket. And then you also need like your gadgets. Do not forget your charger because you need to charge your phone. I have another charger, so I'm just going to keep this one in my bag. I'm going to take my book when I get bored. I'm also going to be taking my camera in case you want to vlog your bed experience. I'm going to take my laptop. I'm not going to take my laptop, but you can take your laptop if you want, but I don't think I'm going to take my laptop. I think my phone, my camera, my book, and earphones is okay for me to take. I don't really like earphones, so I'm not going to take earphones, but if you want it, then you can take an earphone so that you're not going to have to constantly be putting like your phone in your ear to answer calls and all that. But I don't really do earphones, so I'm not going to get an earphone. And also, if you want to get like some aromatics like lavender and diffuser, if it actually like calms you down, then you can take one. You can also take like a Bluetooth and put in some calm music like to calm you down, but I don't really need all of that, so save the most important for the last. So you're going to need your wallet. It should contain your ID card, your insurance card, like your birth plan and all your insurance documents, because you want to have other information because it's going to be required when you go to the hospital. So I think that's it for what's in my hospital bag. I'm so excited to meet baby boy. Baby boy is going to come anytime from now and I'm so ready. I just want to be packed so that when I get into labor, I just take my bag. And also, you like to get your bags packed when you're about 8 months pregnant. I did not do that, but it's good to get your bags packed early because you don't know what can happen. You don't know when the baby can come. So get your bags packed early. Do not overpack, but if you want to overpack, as I said, it's your hospital bag. If you want to have 2 bags, 3 bags, that's fine, but this is what is really needed like in my hospital, because my hospital really offers a lot of things. Hospital is going to offer pads, depends, so I don't really need any of that now. And I don't really need nursing pads too. As I said, most times you're not going to even start producing breast milk till I get home, so I'm not going to be taking all of that. So I think what I took is fine, it's minimalist, it's simple, and it's just what I need. So once again, thank you guys for watching my video. I really appreciate all the love. So just tell me what you took to the hospital, what you put in your hospital bag, what your hospital provided, and what you actually needed. And I hope this video helps you to pack your bag if you don't know where to get started. So bye guys, and see you in the next video.